Alright, I'm not sure how this is going to turn out. This is a 2016 CFMoto Z-Force 800EX, a 1x1 aluminum tubing, metric 6x1.0, and these are about 2 inches long. When you take this tray off, you'll notice that on one side they have a little shim here. You'll just want to leave that shim, put that shim back on your modification. I just cut a 9-inch piece out, lay them on there, put your seat back on, drilled another hole, approximately an inch back. Plastic pieces slid all the way up, drilled a new hole. Not going to go in this slot anymore. I'm just going to go right in. So we'll throw this back in the rig and see how it works. Try and do this with one hand. Okay, locks down. We're tight back here now, and we're tight behind the seat and the roll bar. When I sit in it, there's a lot more leg room. And the other thing I like about it is that when I sit in it, I'm an inch taller, and that inch makes a difference with me hanging my arm out the door. Anyways, so that's raising the seat up 1 inch with aluminum tubing under there. You can paint them black or pink, whatever the hell you want. And then sliding the seat back. It probably slid back about an inch. Like I say, this was on a 2016 CFMoto Z-Force 800EX. May work on your machine. They probably made these seats all the same on a lot of different models and years. I have no idea. Okay, doke. See ya.